Today, April 26, 2021. We're about to start a new project, and right over there where that machine is, we're going to build a 30 by 50 car barn. So there's going to be a lot of grading done. So, that's the start. You know, looks like the excavation company has hired a helper, because I see somebody out there doing something. Yeah. Pulling out posts. Well, that's the first thing. Is there was a fence all around there to keep the cattle out, so all of that fencing had to come out, and of course it'll get replaced where it's needed. So our helper's doing something there. Yeah, another post being pulled out. And the daffodils are out. How nice. On the job training, that's what we call it. It looks like right now that the old trough is going to get removed, maybe. Hope that thing doesn't snap loose. Yeah, that could happen. You have to trust the guy running the track hoe there, not to drop that bucket on your head. For criminy sakes. Okay. That's the one old water trough, getting it out of the way. But the plastic, I think, but the other one is metal, that one, so that one's got to come out. Oh, I know, she wants to save that. I got it. I don't know why, but she wants to put that. Oh my God, they're gonna roll that thing a mile up the hill there. Okay. To the other trough. Way up there. Well, there's an overflow, so somewhere out there. Anyway, maybe up there where the black tank is. Okay. Just think it would take me a whole day to dig that one bucket if I was digging. Jeez. Well, it won't take him long. I mean, I'll bet I'll come out here in an hour and that thing's going to be totally different. That's what I'm thinking. Wonderful machine. The track hoe. Guy making a lot of money when he owns one of those and knows how to run it. Just moving the dirt. Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see the end result. Well, here we are 10 hours later. 10 hours later. And that's the bed for our new car barn. Looking pretty good. I hope it's level. And he said it is. Well, we'll see. So while he was busy doing that, I got the John Deere out today and mowed. And also he came over, there was a swale over here, which has been leveled out. But this whole thing just needs to be graded, this whole field, if we're ever going to do anything with it, because it's just it's clumpy and bumpy. Sunday, October 3rd, 2021. Surprise visit by a fellow that's going to drop a bunch of gravel where we're going to put our new barn. We'll see how this works out. Sunday, October 3rd, 2021. Surprise visit by a fellow that's going to drop a bunch of gravel where we're going to put our new barn. We'll see how this works out. Well, one pass. I wonder how many passes you can get on that truck. Good question. Well, here we go for another pass, huh? I think that's all she wrote. Hard for me to do this anymore. Gotta be careful, I'll fall down. And I need two hands to steady it.
You can lean against me on this side.
But now we can get the four-wheeler out and
yeah, start doing that.
And do a pretty good
He's
job.
He's going to be bringing the excavator back up here today or tomorrow, he said.
Oh. What to do with the excavator?
To smooth it out even more. Spread it out a little bit more.
I wonder how the hell he can do that with the excavator.
It's got a little blade on it, I think. I think it's got a little blade on it.
Let's see, excavator.
Well, I think an excavator is a digger, but I think it also has a blade on it. I think there's a blade on the front and the digger's on the back. Better to be behind him than watching him.
Yep. I'll let you do that in the next load. Is this the third truck? I think it is. So, yeah. Anyway, it's solid one. It's a couple inches of bed there. Be the footprint for the car barn. And these guys been doing this so long, they know exactly how much to do it. Good eyes to judge it. Yeah, come on all the way up. That's right. That's okay. That's okay. Good deal.